Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on RHEL 10. Then we will see how to connect from the PSQL client and DBeaver. Okay, first open any web browser. Then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is postgresql.conf. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.3. Click on download or click on this download, both are same. Then click on Linux, then select Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. We have to select the platform RHEL 10, then architecture, then we have to select the version. See, the latest release is 18 and lowest version is 14. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. Okay, first open terminal, then run these commands one by one. It is done. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo tnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. If you want to install 17, you have to replace this 8 with 17. Okay, it is up to you. Then hit enter, type and hit enter again. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server version number 18.3 and these dependencies, and this is the installed size and this is the download size. Type a for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL 18. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed and service status is disabled and it is inactive and dead. So we have to start it. But before starting, run these commands. This command is going to initialize the database. Hit enter. Now start the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL 18. Hit enter. Now enable the service. It is done. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL 18. See, PostgreSQL Server is running and it is enabled. Press spacebar. See, these are the processes running for the PostgreSQL Server: IO worker, logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, lab and logical replication launcher. And this is the data directory. Q to quit, Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server version number 18.3. But this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server, it is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server version 18.3. Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So first verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having these roles. Okay, so set the password for this user. See, we got the same. Okay, alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Alter role means the above alter command executed successfully. Now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Now create database. See, we have created database bank and this is the one of the database. Q to quit, Control A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use /c, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. Now we will create user. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created a user. David, now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. /q is the command to exit. psql -h means hostname. PostgreSQL install on this one, so localhost is fine. Then D, then U must be caps. Then username is David -D means database Postgres. Then provide the password of this new user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Quit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18 on RHEL 10. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user, so exit sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. You can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. See, PostgreSQL server is running. Duplicate. You want to restart. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server from the PSQL client. You can also connect from the DBeaver. I have already installed DBeaver on RHEL 10. If you want, you can search for my YouTube channel. Now click on this database and select new database connection, or just click on this new database connection, then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. Localhost is fine because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. Show all databases. Postgres is the database which is there. Username Postgres, then provide the password that we have set for this user. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.3. Click on OK. Click on finish. You want to run the queries against this database, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.3 on RHEL 10. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL server from the PSQL client and DBeaver. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.